When you hire a new receptionist, the first thing you wonder is, how's she doing? Yobi answers that for you. 2 things watch over your AI so you don't always have to. First is call analytics. Think of it as a running checkup. It reviews every single call your agent takes and flags anything off, a question she stumbled on or a call too noisy to hear clearly. So you're never guessing how she's doing. You can see at a glance exactly which calls are worth a second look. Second, your super agent, Yobi 1. This one you just talked to. Ask it anything about your practice. How are my agents doing? How many calls did we get today versus last month? Was anyone upset? Now it's new and it's getting access to more of your data over time, but it's already your 24/7 business watcher. 2 supervisors, 0 babysitting. Your AI answers the phones and you can always see how she's doing. Check in whenever you want peace of mind.